everyone! Welcome to Hatch ESL's 1-minute discussion. Today, let's talk about Proverbs and Quotations. What's the difference between a proverb and a quotation? A proverb is a saying, while a quotation is words said by a specific person. Here's an example of a proverb. Actions speak louder than words. It means what you do is more important than what you say. Here's an example of a quotation. Knowledge is power by Albert Einstein. It means that knowledge empowers people to achieve great things. How about you? What's your favorite proverb and quotation? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos. Keep hatching!